Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's look at another question from the DP-700 exam. Here's the scenario. You have a Fabric F32 capacity that contains a workspace. Inside that workspace, you have a warehouse named DW1. This warehouse is modeled using MD5 hash surrogate keys. DW1 contains a single fact table. And over the past year, this fact table has grown from 200 million rows to 500 million rows. You also have Power BI reports based on Direct Lake. These reports show year-over-year values. Now users report two problems: performance has degraded, and some visuals are showing errors. So here's the requirement. You need to resolve the performance issues. And the solution must provide the best query performance while minimizing operational costs. Now pause here. This question is clearly about performance optimization at scale. Before deciding anything, let's quickly read the options. Option A, change the MD5 hash to SHA256. Option B, increase the capacity. Option C, enable V-order. Option D, modify the surrogate keys to use a different data type. Option E, create views. Okay, now let's slow down and think like the exam. First, let's understand what's really going on. Number 1. The fact table has grown massively, 500 million rows. Number 2. Reports are using Direct Lake, which means queries hit the data directly in storage. Number 3. Users are seeing performance degradation and visual failures. And finally, this is very important, we need the best query performance, and we must minimize operational costs. So immediately, this tells us something. We should optimize how the data is stored and read, not just throw more compute at the problem. Now let's evaluate each option one by one. Option A, change MD5 to SHA256. Yes, SHA256 is more secure than MD5. But security hashing has nothing to do with query performance in a data warehouse. So this option does not solve the problem. Next, option B, increase the capacity. Increasing capacity might improve performance temporarily. But the question clearly says, minimize operational costs. Scaling capacity directly increases cost, and it does not fix the root cause. So this option is not optimal. Now, option D, change the surrogate key data type. This would require remodeling, reloading massive data, high operational effort, and the performance gain is uncertain. So this is not the best solution. Next, option E, create views. Views do not physically optimize how data is stored. They do not help with large-scale scans, Direct Lake performance issues. So this option is also incorrect. Now let's look at option C, enable V-order. And this is the key. V-order is a Fabric optimization feature that reorganizes data for analytical queries, improves compression, and reduces I/O during query execution. For large fact tables, especially with Direct Lake, V-order can significantly improve performance. And most importantly, it improves performance without increasing capacity, which means better performance, lower cost. So the correct answer is option C, enable V-order. Before we wrap up, here's a very important DP-700 exam rule. If you see large fact tables, Direct Lake usage, performance degradation, cost constraints, your first thought should be storage level optimization, not scaling. And in Microsoft Fabric, that usually means V-order. If this explanation helped you think like a Fabric engineer, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment next for the next DP-700 question. See you in the next one.